Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys just how like the difference between web-based browsers for like emails and like actual like apps on the computer. So first off, I'm gonna show you like web-based. So you just go right here and I'm gonna show you the help desk, which you're probably already on. I'm just gonna go to the help desk, and then once you get there, there's gonna be like a button that'll take you to your webmail. It's like under each one has it, but you go here, and then this button right here, just click it and it'll take you to your email. So I'm going to show you that. So if you click this button right here, it'll take you to your email, and then you're going to log in with your account. So like this is web-based browsing for your email. So it's right here. Click the Outlook button, and then it'll show you like your mail and everything. But some downsides to it is like it can be a little slow sometimes. But I'm going to show you this one right here. So you just type in Outlook once you hit that home button, and it'll be right here. You gotta click on it and press open, and it's gonna open it up. And the good thing about this is it might be a little slow at opening, but once it's open, it's really fast and it's way better than the web browser. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope this helped you out.